My name's Brandon Vincent with eXp Realty, and behind me is one of the most unique waterfront turnkey properties I have seen in a long time. Welcome to 172 Meadow Drive, here on the incredibly special Darlings Island. Before I show you this incredible property, I want to tell you a little bit about what makes this area so special. Darlings Island is literally an island that's accessible all year round, and it's known for its iconic covered bridge that is a staple as soon as you drive onto the island, which at one point was the only way to get on or off the island. And now there's a much more permanent bridge, and that's not the only thing that makes this so special. It's the fact that you're in such natural beauty here. You're surrounded by water on all sides, so many waterfront properties. No two properties on this island are the same, and that's not it, because it's the community here that makes it so special. Everybody is so connected. Everybody knows each other. It's very tight-knit. It's safe. You have parks like behind me here for kids to come and play at. In the winter, they flood the rink so that you can skate on there. In front of me is a old ballpark that doubles as a dog park as well. There's just so many things that make this special here to raise a family and have a lifestyle. That's the thing here, is it's not just somewhere to live. This is a lifestyle that people adopt. Finding something like this is rare, but you're in luck, because I'm about to take you to a beautiful waterfront property right here on Darlings Island. So one thing to take note of is the arbor coating that they put on the exterior of this entire house, which not only preserves the life of the wood, but it maintains the natural wood beauty and the graining of the wood, just adding that much extra detail and protection to this house. Now, I'm super excited to take you inside and show you this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom waterfront property that is sitting on just over an acre of land, which is actually perfect when it comes to maintaining. It's not so much that it's too much to maintain, but it's just enough that you have your own tranquility and privacy to enjoy. I'm so excited to show you all the renovations they've done. Let's go inside and check it out. Stepping inside, one of my first favorite things about this house, there's gonna be a lot of favorite things about this house, but one of my favorites is this unbelievable kitchen in here, okay? We have an oversized island here overlooking the water, which is just so breathtaking. Like, could you imagine being in here and cooking up your daily meals? Like, this is the view that you get to have from here. It's so incredible. And this is all one cut of quartz right here, this entire island, which is a perfect for Eden Island. And even over here, we have a in-island bar fridge, perfect for any of your beverages, wine, anything along those lines. But we can't go and not mention the fact that this quartz, just the sparkle that happens from the natural light, from all the natural light, whether it's from your skylight up here, from the sun coming in at different times of the day, it is just incredible. All the blues in this kitchen all work together to complement the choice of the quartz countertop here, all highlighting the light blues that are sparkling throughout this, and the deep blues spotted throughout, and even the whites, all of that with the royal blue and the light blue over here. It's just all complementing. Even the backsplash on the kitchen, this glass backsplash here, all works to complement everything in this room, and it brings it all together. So this kitchen, along with many other aspects of this house, have been completely renovated, and all this cabinetry is new classic brand cabinetry. No detail was overlooked in this house. We have all new stainless steel appliances that are Frigidaire. That's the fridge, microwave, range hood, the stove, even your dishwasher here, all brand new appliances. And one thing that I love is this beautiful double sink here, all surrounded by your quartz countertop, overlooking the front driveway here, which is just so serene. You're surrounded by nature, you're surrounded by privacy. You couldn't ask for any more majesticness in a kitchen. All the cabinetry in the entire kitchen from the island to the shelves are all slow close, and everything is designed so meticulously. Even the fact that you have your royal blue accent island here, which is picking up all the deep blues in the quartz countertop. But even when it comes to the accessibility of placement of things in the kitchen, you have your garbage and recycling all neatly tucked away here. So you don't even need a garbage can out. One of my favorite things in kitchens is lazy Susans. And of course, even that aspect hasn't been overlooked. Perfect for storing all your pots, pans, for quick access here. And as you're coming over here, this part's really cool. Like, nothing's been overlooked here. So even all of these cabinets here all have pull-out shelves so that you can just grab stuff, put it in, put it back for optimal storage. Now stepping into your dining room, which is completely surrounded by your composite decking side and back. And the thing that I love is that you actually have foliage, which is adding so much privacy into this area. So you're sitting here eating dinner with these optimal water views overlooking Darlings Lake, and it's just so incredible. Sitting here and eating dinner would just be so relaxing. Now I have something really special to show you. Come see the living room. Come enjoy your very own waterfront paradise. Look at this view here. It is just absolutely breathtaking, complemented with over 10 windows here, bringing in natural light and overlooking this incredible view. And on top of that, you have your propane fireplace, which is adding just an extra sense of coziness and relaxation into this space. This room here is absolutely one of my favorites. And while we're in here, I want to tell you about the flooring put out through this entire level here. The luxury vinyl flooring throughout the entire home, which has been laid meticulously so that there's not even a squeak or a sound when you're walking on it. And all this flooring is scratch-proof, waterproof, child-proof, and just an absolute joy to walk on. One point that I want to make sure to mention is the fact that the sun rises in the east, which is just right behind me here. So you're getting the sunrise coming up and heating this room, literally warming the floors every single morning and coming over and then setting on the side of the kitchen. So you're getting maximum daylight through the majority of the day here. And as well, it's important to note that we have a heat pump in this room for the heating in the winter and cooling in the summer. And now I want to show you the incredible 3 bedrooms that are upstairs, along with the 2 full bathrooms. And then we're going to go down and I'm going to show you the breathtaking views from the basement here. The primary bedroom, which is just so special, having its own Juliette balcony with a water view every single morning you wake up and go to bed. I just am so blown away by the fact that this could be the view that you look at every single day. Also in your primary bedroom, you have your ensuite bathroom with a single vanity and a beautiful tiled in deep soaker tub. And it's just incredible because you have so much natural light even coming in, but there's a lot of privacy with the foliage there. So you're not worried about anybody seeing in, but you can see out, and it's just so tranquil in here. This entire bedroom is breathtaking. And as well, you always have your walk-in closet here too. Now stepping into bedroom number 2, which is overlooking the front of the house here, a very fair-sized bedroom with, as well, another walk-in closet. Lots of closet space here, that is not a concern. This here is the guest bathroom upstairs, which has the amazing vanity here. And one thing I love is this tiling here in your shower. And something else that's actually really cool is the indented and this just specific tile design here, which has like almost a Mayan look to it. It's so sharp, so unique. Big soaker tub with your shower, perfect for all your guest needs. So just outside of your primary and bedroom number 2 and your bathroom, you have a oversized linen closet for all your towels and blankets. And that is a very fair sized linen closet if I say so myself. Now let's go check out bedroom number 3, which is also overlooking the front of the house here and also has a walk-in closet. Now that I've got your attention with these amazing water views all on the main level, let's go check out the basement of this incredible 2,400 plus square foot house. Let's go take a look. But before we actually go there, I want to make mention that these handrails have also been upgraded, and these here are actually installed right into the floor joist. So these are super solid. And that's just some of the details that went into all the renovations here. Nothing was overlooked. This is a solid handrail here. I'd never need to go on vacation if I lived here. Unbelievable views. Believe it or not, we're in a basement right now, and you have maximum water views with a sliding door going to your deck. And this room is just so breathtaking. I love the accent lights that they've chosen to install here, and even the paint colors on the royal blue help pull the blues from the water out, and it just highlights the beautiful white trim. This room is so incredible. So down here in the basement, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. And this room here, which they currently have set up as a gym, with more water views, could be literally anything you want. Like, imagine having your office set up down here. You could have a huge desk. You could have a waiting area. Like, this is literally perfect. This is a massive room with a beautiful window. The options are endless in this area. So over to my right, we have a little bit of extra storage, which is always nice to have, but I want to show you the remaining laundry room, bathroom, and the 5th bedroom. Let's get into this beautiful oversized laundry room in here with so much space. You have so many options. You can be drying your laundry. You can do multiple things in here. I don't even know what you do with the space this big, but actually, if you ever wanted to convert it into a potential kitchen, would be a great idea. If you're ever looking at having some type of family in-law suite in here, this would make for a perfect kitchen area. If you like the idea of an ensuite, down here has its own walkout, which leads directly into bedroom number 5, which is right across from bathroom number 3. And I'm gonna show you those right now. Let's go to the bedroom because that's got a beautiful water view here. Could you imagine having this as your in-law suite? Like, nobody would argue with wanting to be here. The view from this room and pretty well every room in this house is breathtaking. Like, it's like you have your own natural therapy on your back doorstep. Now stepping into bathroom number 3, as I mentioned, right across from your 5th bedroom. And you have your shower, your beautiful stone vanity here, and so much room in here, honestly. This is an oversized bathroom number 3. It's just beautiful. Now, as I mentioned in this property, storage is not an issue. We have even more storage available in this back room here, which is a storage / utility room. This house is perfect for any nature enthusiasts, so it is all kinds of room, whether you're storing kayaks, bikes, anything along those lines that you love can all be neatly tucked away into this room here. So as we're wrapping up the basement, the final point I want to make is there was no detail overlooked here. They have a sliding door to make a sound barrier between if you're having a theater night down here, whether you're working out in this room or enjoying your space down here, so that there's less noise traveling upstairs. It's just a beautiful feature that I really do love here. So as we're stepping outside here, something we have to take note of is all the renovations that have been done inside and outside. Out here we have new roof shingles, we have new fascia, new windows and doors. Also, we have new composite decking installed on the front and back of the house, also on the lower level of the deck here, as well as aluminum handrails that were installed for aesthetics, but also for durability. Truly, no aspect of this house has gone overlooked. This here is just such a rare opportunity, and between you and me, when waterfront properties like this come up, they don't last long, because Whatever else you could want in this house, you can always add, but you can never add this water view to any other property. If you want to know anything else about this property, my name is Brandon Vincent with eXp Realty. My phone number is 1-506-721-9020. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'd be happy to help, and I hope you have an amazing day.